It's official, the Federal Reserve did raise rates again today. Papa Powell just brought the federal funds rate to its highest point since 2008. If any of you have gone through that time in your life, you know that that was the last big financial crisis that really crushed a lot of people, including the real estate industry entirely. So, it's not a great time for the economy right now, but is it a great time to invest in the stock market? That's up to you. By the end of this video, I want you to let me know whether or not you're investing in stocks right now or you're just hanging on to cash, waiting on the sideline until things turn around, until the economy and the market is a little bit better for business right now. We also did see an increase in payrolls with a wage increase of 7.7%. That was announced today as well. So the labor market is still very, very strong. That's good news for people that need and have jobs out there because their wages are going up. But so far, inflation is outpacing those wage increases as well. So it's kind of a double-edged sword if you look at it that way. So let's jump over. Let's take a peek at what Jerome Powell did, what he indicated for future rate hikes, and some of the comments that he made today. Initially, stocks did rise following the announcement from the Federal Reserve, but turned negative during Jerome Powell's news conference as the market tried to gauge whether the Fed thinks it can implement a less restrictive policy that would include a slower pace rate hikes to achieve its inflation goals. In his comments, Powell reiterated that it may take resolve and patience to get inflation down. Quote, "We still have some ways to go, and incoming data since our last meeting suggests that the ultimate level of interest rates will be higher than previously expected." That particular statement gives me a little bit of concern for the next several rate hikes. A lot of the market was hoping that we would see a slowing in the rate hikes, maybe 0.5% next time or 0.25%, something like that. But Jerome Powell is saying here, look, if things don't get better quick, we're going to have a policy that is more restrictive. And I think he means that they're going to continue to be aggressive with their rate hikes. So the market didn't react favorably to that news. The Dow right now is pretty flat. The rest of the market is down a little bit. So guys, let me know what you're doing. I hope you all have a fantastic day out there. I want to hear if you're interested in any sort of stocks right now that you want me to talk about. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. As always, I'll see you in the next one.